This is the video tutorial about removing the ransomware called NullBulge. My video will be only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. In my videos, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the data, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you do that. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without any troubles. So pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data, all that can be opened easily without troubles. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this NullBulge ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. The ransomware appends a special extension to the file names. It also replaces the desktop background into this weird black one. It also contains some ransom note. But finally, there is another ransom note placed on the desktop in the form of readme.txt file. The ransom note indicates that your files are encrypted and that you need to supposedly pay the ransom, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other threats which might still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. The application is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So click on the Start Scan button. After you do that, the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. So do not skip this very important step. So after the antivirus database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. And then at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Definitely some threats can be removed manually, but of course I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, your computer in general will always be protected against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner will be able to prevent intrusion of this ransomware ahead of time. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to get your data always protected in the future. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.